5 businesses to earn money online without showing your face. Welcome to my channel. Delving into the world of online entrepreneurship doesn't always require stepping in front of the camera. These 5 businesses offer lucrative opportunities to earn money online without revealing your face. From affiliate marketing to print on demand, explore ventures that emphasize skill, creativity, and strategy over personal visibility. Whether you're a writer, designer, or marketing enthusiast, these businesses empower you to monetize your expertise discreetly, carving a niche in the digital landscape without the need for a public persona. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. Number 5. Online tutoring. Online tutoring is a lucrative avenue for earning money without revealing your face. Utilizing platforms like Tutor.com or Chegg Tutors, you can share your expertise in various subjects, offering personalized assistance to students. Create a strong profile highlighting your qualifications and teaching experience, and then connect with learners seeking your skills. Virtual tutoring sessions can be conducted through chat, audio, or screen sharing, eliminating the need for video visibility. Additionally, you can take it a step further by creating and selling pre-recorded courses on platforms like Udemy or Skillshare. By leveraging your knowledge and teaching abilities, you contribute to the educational development of others, all while maintaining your privacy and generating income in the thriving online education sector. Online tutoring allows individuals to monetize their expertise discreetly, connecting with students in need of assistance. Whether through live sessions or pre-recorded content, success hinges on subject mastery and effective communication. This model enables entrepreneurs to thrive in the education sector without the need for personal visibility or appearing on camera. Number 4. Dropshipping. Dropshipping offers a viable avenue to earn money online without the need to show your face. This e-commerce model involves selling products without physically handling inventory. As a dropshipper, you create an online store, select products from suppliers, and promote them. When a customer places an order, the product is directly shipped from the supplier to the customer, and you earn a profit margin. Platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce, coupled with Oberlo, make it easy to set up a dropshipping business. You can curate a diverse product range, focus on marketing, and handle customer inquiries, all without revealing your face. This model emphasizes strategic product selection, marketing prowess, and customer service, offering a hands-off approach to entrepreneurship for those who prefer a more behind-the-scenes role. Dropshipping, an e-commerce model, lets you earn money online without revealing your face. By managing an online store and outsourcing inventory handling to suppliers, entrepreneurs can focus on marketing and customer service, making it an appealing option for those who prefer a behind-the-scenes approach. Number 3. Ebook publishing. Ebook publishing stands out as a lucrative venture for individuals seeking to earn money online without showcasing their face. Platforms like Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, provide an accessible avenue for writers to self-publish digital books. Whether it's fiction, non-fiction, or specialized guides, you can share your expertise or creative works with a global audience. The process involves writing, formatting, and designing your ebook, which is then made available for purchase on platforms like Amazon. Marketing efforts can be executed through various channels, such as social media, blogs, or email newsletters. As an ebook author, your success relies on the quality of your content and effective marketing strategies, allowing you to build a profitable business while maintaining anonymity and sidestepping the need for a personal presence on camera. Authors in the realm of ebook publishing leverage platforms such as Amazon to reach a broad audience, diversifying their revenue streams. With an emphasis on compelling storytelling and effective marketing, this business model allows individuals to monetize their literary endeavors discreetly, fostering financial success and creative expression without the need for a public face. Number 2. Print on demand. Print on demand (POD) emerges as a lucrative online business model that enables individuals to earn money without revealing their face. With platforms like Printful, Teespring, or Printify, entrepreneurs can design and sell custom merchandise such as t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, and more. The process involves creating unique designs, which are then printed and shipped directly to customers upon purchase. This business model requires minimal upfront investment as there is no need to hold inventory. Success in the POD business hinges on creative design, effective marketing, and building an online presence through a website or social media. By focusing on product customization and branding, individuals can establish a profitable online store and generate income while maintaining anonymity, making it an ideal option for those who prefer to stay behind the scenes. Print on demand enables entrepreneurs to curate a unique product range, emphasizing creativity and branding. With a focus on effective design and marketing strategies, individuals can establish a profitable online store and generate income while maintaining anonymity. This behind-the-scenes approach makes POD an ideal choice for those who prefer not to show their face in the e-commerce landscape. Number 1. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing offers a lucrative avenue to earn money online without the necessity of revealing your face. As an affiliate marketer, you promote products or services through unique affiliate links, earning a commission for every sale generated through your referral. Platforms like Amazon Associates, ShareSL, or ClickBank facilitate partnerships with a myriad of brands. Success in affiliate marketing relies on strategic content creation, such as blog posts, reviews, or social media promotions, without the need for personal appearances. Leveraging SEO and social media, you can drive traffic to your affiliate links, earning passive income. This business model allows individuals to capitalize on niche interests, recommending products genuinely and transparently, establishing a trustworthy online presence, and generating revenue while remaining discreet about their identity. Affiliate marketing empowers individuals to monetize their online presence without revealing their face. By strategically promoting products through various channels, affiliates can build a revenue stream. This model allows for niche specialization, emphasizing marketing prowess and transparency. Entrepreneurs can discreetly earn commissions, making affiliate marketing a flexible and appealing choice for those who prioritize privacy in their online endeavors. Affiliate marketing empowers individuals to monetize their online presence without revealing their face. By strategically promoting products through various channels, affiliates can build a revenue stream. This model allows for niche specialization, emphasizing marketing prowess and transparency. Entrepreneurs can discreetly earn commissions, making affiliate marketing a flexible and appealing choice for those who prioritize privacy in their online endeavors. Emphasizing knowledge transfer over personal presence, online tutoring offers a fulfilling avenue for income generation in the educational realm without the necessity of revealing one's face. It allows individuals to contribute to learning while maintaining privacy. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.